God, I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late.
Stop saying everything in your city. That's an amazing thing.
Cough. Oh. The last time I did that, I sprained my hamstring.
And Zoya the Explorer.
We're gonna definitely bleep that
Bleep
out.
that out. Yeah.
Hey guys, today's episode on Blind Sips is a special surprise for you. We're covering chai. I've never covered chai before, nor do I know chai. I only know coffee, so I brought a special guest with me.
Assalamu alaikum, beloveds.
This is my friend Zoya.
Well, like I said, assalamu alaikum. Zoya the Explorer here. I'm excited to be here at the Kaafi tea and coffee house that I just learned is a Pakistani chai and coffee house. So they had to bring the Pakistani girl to be here.
Of course.
Check this out. This right here is the Minar Pakistan, which is the Tower of Pakistan in Lahore, and it's right here in New York City.
I actually thought that was the Eiffel Tower. I'm not
He
gonna
thought
lie.
it was the Eiffel Tower, guys. No, Minar Pakistan from Lahore.
We're running late.
Yeah,
so
sorry.
let's go.
I could talk forever. Let's go. But you didn't
Absolutely.
tell us what's in this box? This little
it's-
mini suitcase of yours?
Listen, it's a surprise.
Oh,
It's always
okay.
been a surprise with us. All right, let's go. Thank you.
I'm such a gentleman. He opened the door for me. There we go.
What's going on?
Hey, what took you so long?
Assalamu
How's it going?
What's up? Assalamualaikum. What's
My
up,
name is
guys?
Almar. What was your
So
name?
nice to meet you.
alaikum,
Assalamualaikum.
Mr. Saud. Thank you so much for having us. And thanks for
you.
your patience. It's really late here right now, guys. And we're here to see this beautiful tea and coffee house. Thank you.
Honestly, a last minute thing. We all try to make this work, but we're glad we're here, and we're glad that you have us here. Honestly,
Love to have you.
such a great space that you have here. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, thank you for coming to Kaafi. This is a one-of-a-kind Pakistani cafe. Everything on the walls here, everything on the counters will remind you of being in Pakistan. And yeah, I don't know what else to.
So I don't know anything about chai.
Yeah.
So that's why I brought Zoya.
Oh, Zoya.
Yeah. Oh, I'm
Oh, hi.
here too.
Oh, that's easy. Okay, assalamualaikum. How are you? How's everything?
I'm good. Very nice
Welcome,
to
welcome,
meet
welcome.
you.
She's a chai expert, I'm assuming.
She's a chai expert. I'm the
Okay.
You're
espresso.
vetting,
Wanna
so you're
be-
vetting me is what's happening.
Exactly.
Okay, got you.
Why don't you start making the drinks for us
Yeah.
and explain the drinks, but also explain more about like the space. I know you gave us a little bit of an introduction, but I feel there's so much intentionality behind it, like from the artwork, the merch to like the clothing, the cultural clothing. I don't know anything about it.
When I was 20 years old, I was a maniac and was like, yo, let me open the first Pakistani cafe in existence, as for what I thought, because almost 10 years ago there was literally no desi cafes, or just the cafe hype wasn't a thing. Basically, just open up that cafe with that dream of having its like representation for Pakistani kids to come and do
I feel so
homework
seen
or
in here.
exactly that.
So tell us about the name, Kaafi.
Yeah,
It means enough.
it means
Why
enough.
did we name it this?
Because so with my cafes or any restaurant ventures I go into, I name it one word and then I do a double meaning behind it. The first cafe I have that's still open, it's called Alif. Double meaning on that would be like it's poetically new beginnings. So that's what that means. It was a first venture for me. So Alif, that, and then it's like the first alphabet of the Arabic alphabet. So I think people that know Arabic would understand. So I don't have to be like, oh, Alif Cafe, halal food. Like I could just keep it the way it is. If you know, you know. So that was that. But Kaafi came out to be because I was thinking like, I have, alhamdulillah, like I have a lot of cafes now. I was talking to my cousin, and my cousin's like, "Kaafi nahi hai," which in Urdu means like, isn't that enough? Like, don't you have enough?
Yeah,
Okay,
you have-
okay, I see.
like,
I
you
see
have-
where
How
the
many
name
more
comes.
cafes you gonna have?
Exactly. So he was saying that. I was on FaceTime with him
He's
writing
like,
this.
"Bro, I'm just getting
writing this
started."
proposal. So I kind of clocked it when he said it, and I'm like, wait, what'd you say? And he's like, "Kaafi nahi hai." And then I'm like, okay, I think Kaafi is great because Kaafi means enough. Like knowing that I'm enough and I have done my part in this industry. And then alhamdulillah, and then Kaafi also just we say chai coffee. We don't say coffee, we say Kaafi. So that plays into people saying like, oh, chai and coffee.
Okay, so what are you gonna make us? Oh my God, there's so many
Yeah,
fun things here. I want everything, guys.
We have a stove top, you have a pot like this bad boy here, sorry, like this. And then you make your chai using water, you have tea, and then you add your milk after it's done boiling. But we do a little differently because we serve, 100+ cups a day, and we want to make sure everyone gets a fresh cup.
Are these like special tea leaves or something?
This is the best chai that you can find on the market right now. It's called Tapal Danedar. No plug, but it's a really good chai if you want to.
We're not sponsored. If you want to sponsor us.
So you have some tea in there. I'm gonna make you guys a brown sugar cardamom, which is literally just brown sugar and cardamom. So 1 teaspoon of cardamom there. I'm gonna put some brown sugar, homemade by the way.
Oh, wow. Can I take a
How do you make
quick
brown
sip?
sugar homemade?
So you add molasses to sugar and you whisk it up, and then you get.
So he's making doodh patti, which is my favorite kind, which is like made it with milk, not with water.
All right, and then we just take our steam wands, we pressure the water out of it.
Okay.
And then we pop it in to let it steam. The idea is that we get it to a very high temp and then put it on really low, so it just rumbles inside and cooks the tea. If you can see it. It's a little flashy process.
Oh, I gotta see this.
When I'm pouring this down here, what's happening is air is coming right through the tea. When it's transferring from one cup to another, air is just washing out of it. So that spice, the sugars are all developing because of that.
Oh, that's so interesting.
But-
I never knew that.
So when you're
Neither
making it
did
on
I.
the
I thought they were just doing it for show because it looks cool.
oh no, and then also you can tell the color, right? Like if I'm pulling it up, the colors.
Oh, they're changing. It
They're
was lighter
changing.
before. Now it's getting darker. That's crazy.
I would take it a little sweeter personally, like with more sugar. but it's
Yeah.
good.
I
No,
did.
this is-
I
this
did
is
go
the right-
conservative on the sugar because I don't know if you guys were.
So I was saying the reason that I love chai is because, it's a plant that like when people gather in Pakistan, they say we have there's a book that's called 3 Cups of Tea. And it's like we can have 3 cups of tea together and then we can do business together.
Here's the thing. Blind Sip, it's about me going to different coffee shops, right? I brought my guest today,
Yeah,
so
I'm
she
just a
can bet
tag
you
along.
to try everyone's coffee, well, in this case, we're trying tea, so it's blind sipping, so I don't know what I'm getting myself into.
Got it.
But we're also gonna blindfold you,
Amazing.
so that way you're the first one to say amazing.
No, I
Yeah,
love it.
excited.
I love it. I'm really excited. I
So
like
like
these things.
the naming convention, remember how I said I was gonna get back to you on it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a double meaning.
Okay.
I'm blind sipping, you're blind sipping.
Okay, love
Let's
it.
do it. So I need you to turn around for me, that way. Zoya, as well as you. This is the first. The camera did not see that. Right. You can unblindfold right now.
What does it smell like?
Well,
It smells like nothing. Oh, I like this.
Dude, stop. Can't
What?
you put fucking watermelon in this?
There's watermelon
he
in
knew
there?
it, dude. You're the first person to guess it on the spot.
There's watermelon?
There's watermelon in there. Yeah.
What? How?
Yeah, I can tell he's a chef then.
So good.
you just-
Yummy.
It's
I
different.
like it.
It's what you would expect, putting a melon in a latte.
Wait,
Yeah.
so it's like you put actual watermelon?
Well, it's a puree that I made.
Yeah.
But there's
Yay.
another flavor in there.
There is?
Yeah.
I can't. No, it's just really sweet.
What about you, Zoya? Can you taste it?
No, I think, is it matcha?
No. It's definitely like a nut flavor.
A nut?
Yeah.
Pistachio?
Yes.
Oh,
you
that's
put
the
pistachios in it?
green. I don't taste.
Did you, wait, is it like a puree or did you put actual pistachio?
No, it's pistachio cream.
Yeah, the cream doesn't really, I don't ever taste it. Like when I get a pistachio latte, I can never taste it.
Oh, on the normal.
On the normal for me.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's
Is
something
this
I can't ever
available
pick up.
somewhere or you just made it up?
I like to experiment stuff. That's why it's blind sips, because you never know what you're gonna get with me. The reason why it's called a Palestinian latte, right, is you got the green for the pistachio, the red for the watermelon, black for espresso, and milk is white, so it makes the Palestinian flag. Yeah.
Fire.
And we
That's
are
fire.
standing for the free.
I mean, it's a great drink. I don't really.
Please.
But let's move her over to our Teton table.
Firstly, I was like, what are we gonna rate the tea? What are you rating the tea? 1 out of 10.
So I'm not really a tea person, so
Yeah.
like I feel like my rating.
You brought a Pakistani to vet me out for a reason, so I feel
Exactly.
like you could just give her that responsibility.
So no, but I'm gonna rate it from my own taste. I'm a rated as 7, you know? Like, and
Solid.
for me, it's like,
7's a pretty good number for someone who's not familiar with chai.
yeah, because like, no, I take my ratings like very
Yes, take the
seriously.
mic. I'm done. No, I'm just kidding.
Actually, no, I take that back, actually.
Oh, he's taking his rating back.
Oh, he feels bad.
No, I don't feel bad. I stirred up as we were sitting down because it settled
I
a
wish I
bit.
had like a little board to be like.
I'm gonna give it a
Yeah.
7.5. I got the flavor out of nowhere. Like it hit me out of nowhere. You know?
Well, my rating is Ekdam Zabardast.
What does that mean?
That means you give it a 10.
Zabardast. I'm an architect, right? This is what I live for. Is that when I first visit a space, I look at how it's designed,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
If it's designed with intentionality, right? From the framing, from the merch, from the ethnic clothing, from like even the greenery that you put around the actual bar, tells me that there was some sort of intention behind it.
Yes.
And like it's hard to believe that you just did it on a whim.
To be honest with you, people make it, I mean, I really appreciate everyone's comments and the love that they give for this place, but we don't want to make it so over thought out. It's really what we would design our house. Like if someone was coming over to my house to feel like home, I would want to design my house in some way like this.
So I have one final question that we're gonna kind of start closing up, and I just, you know, you're such a successful businessman, mashallah, and you know, as our community is watching, what's your advice for people who are aspiring or dreaming big to do different things? What would you like to leave the world with?
Whatever you decide to do with whatever business venture you want to go with, just make sure you put your 110% effort with the work.
Success doesn't come easy, friends.
Exactly. No, it does not.
What's your hot take about chai people?
I think we need to evolve as a people and like kind of open our horizons to different types of teas. I don't know what you think about ice chai, but
I love it. Which you have events here and stuff, right? Tell us a little bit about that.
So we do events here in general. We so far have done a Kaafi there. We've done open mics. We've done poetry slams. And tested out a lot of other events in there. We've done Bollywood Cinema Night, which was insanely sold out. We had about 500 people on a guest list, which was insane. We can't even fit 500 people here.
I was about to say, isn't there some building code
Yeah,
that
there's
says
a hell of a building.
What's the actual
Bollywood
occupation?
Yeah.
Did I not say
What's the
that? You guys
occupation?
didn't hear.
The Sami brothers are lined up in March, which are a big Kaafi group in New York City. And then we have a couple other events that we're doing that are not finalized yet, but we have an iftar menu that's open for Thursday to Saturday. It's going to be from iftar timing all the way to 2 a.m. in the morning. Every other day is just from iftar timings to 10 p.m. So we'll be here Thursday to Saturday until 2 a.m. if anybody wants to grab food and drinks late night. Other than that, we'll be open every single day, normal hours, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
I mean, like, this might be the last episode for the Ramadan edition.
Wow.
So I'm just gonna say May. I know this is like ahead of time, but like I want to let everyone know that inshallah, may Allah grant.
Go into whatever you need to go into with an open heart, with Allah in mind, and with the best of intentions, and everything else works out. Don't have to worry about, stress about anything else other than the fact that you need to be a good person and then make the Creator happy with your good deeds. That's about it.
All right, what's your take, Zoya?
My wisdom is just gratitude. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah for these moments that bring us together. Alhamdulillah for moments of sharing and connection and tea and ancestry and lineage and connection to our lands and our lineage and our faith and our traditions and being able to share it. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming, man. I appreciate you.
May Allah bless you and your family during this Ramadan.
All together. All of us
Ameen ya Rab. Ameen. Eid Mubarak, I guess?
Yeah.
together.
Eid
Oh yeah, this is going to be the
Mubarak.
last episode. Eid Mubarak. Eid
Eid
Mubarak.
Mubarak.
This is a special one, friends.
Yeah.